Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, everyone. Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to you um, my mini lesson plan, guys. Okay, but before that, I wanna introduce myself first. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Sahidin. You can call me Sahidin. And then now I'm study at State Islamic University of Mataram, and my majority is English department. You can say also that this bahasa Inggris, and now I'm fifth semester. Okay, let's watch this video, guys. Okay, from my mini lesson plan, guys. The first one is what is the objectives? Okay, the objective is clearly states what students should be able to do by the end of the lessons. In this case, students are expected to correctly identify and use the prepositions. It's like in, on, and at to describe the location of objects and places. The lesson integrates this language focus with an interactive activity, especially the Bumble Zoo game, to make learning more engaging by the end of the sessions. Students should not only understand the rules of these propositions, but also be able to apply them confidently in spoken and written sentences. Okay. The second one is student activities. The student activities outline the step-by-step learning process that help them achieve the objectives. The point one is in student activities. The point one is brainstorming. Okay, student work in pair to think of simple example using in, on, and at. This help activate their background knowledge and prepares their mind for the lessons. It also allows them to recall words and phrases they may already know. Okay, the point two is playing a Bumble Zoo game. Okay, the student engage in team-based Bubble Zoo quiz. The game provides different questions that require students to choose the correct prepositions. Okay, this activity keep them motivated and improve their understanding through fun, competition, and repetitions. The point three is discussing answer as a team. Okay, before selecting a final answer in the game, students discuss the options together. This encourages teamwork and deeper thinking as they must explain why a certain proposition fits the sentence. Okay, the point four is writing 3 until 4 original sentences. After the games, students individually write 3 until 4 sentences using the preposition correctly. This step turns their understanding from recognition to production, strengthening their ability to use the language actively. Okay, the last point is exchanging sentences and giving peer feedbacks. Students swap their written sentences with other peers and provide friendly feedbacks. This encourages collaborations, build confidence, and help them notice mistakes in context. Okay. Um, the third one is teacher rules. Okay, this section explains what the teacher does to guide and support the entire learning process. Okay, the point one in teacher rule is introducing the rules. The teacher briefly explained how in, on, and at are used, giving simple and clear examples. This ensures all students start with the same understanding. The point two is explaining Bumble Zoo procedures. The teachers show students how the game works, form teams, and explains the rules so that everyone know how to participate. Okay, the point three is facilitating gameplay and checking understanding. During the game, the teachers monitor student discussion, answer questions, and clarifies confusing points. This helps prevent misunderstanding and support learning. Okay, the point 4 is supporting sentence writing. When students start writing their own sentences, the teachers provide guidance, checks grammar, and help students express their ideas correctly. Okay, the point 5 is encouraging positive feedbacks. The teacher reminds students to give supportive and constructive feedbacks when reviewing each other's sentences, helping build a positive classroom atmosphere. Okay, the fourth is use technology. The technology used in the lesson is a Bamboozle, an interactive quiz platform. It provides a game-like environments with features such as a team mode, instant feedback, and a point system. This technology transforms a grammar lesson into dynamic activity that captures student attention and increases motivations. Okay, the point fifth is no the fifth one is how technology support pedagogy. Okay, this section explain how Bamboozle enhance the teaching approach. Okay, point one is promotes active learning. Students are not passive; they actively respond to questions, discuss answers, and make decisions. Point two is encourage teamwork and communications. Since the game is played in groups, students must collaborate, negotiate answers, and communicate clearly. Okay, the point three is provide immediate feedbacks. Oh, the game instantly show correct answers, which helps students learn from mistakes right away instead of waiting for teacher corrections. Okay. The sixth one is how technology support content. Okay, here the focus is on how technology helps students learn the actual material proposition of plays. Okay, the point one is reinforce understanding through repetitions. Repeated exposure to in, on, at in different contexts helps students remember their usages naturally. The point is makes learning more interactive. Instead, instead of only doing worksheets, students learn through game-based tasks, which increase engagement and focus. Okay, the last point is show correct usage in real context. Students see how prepositions are used in full sentences before creating their own, helping them produce more accurate language. So maybe this is that's all. Maybe that's all from me, guys, about my mini lesson plan.